Do you believe in ghosts? You may or may not believe, but I can assure you they do exist. You probably do not believe because even they are around you, but socially, to some extent economically, they are invisible. They are those students who are waiting for a better job, getting ready at their schools, but live on a very tight budget. The pressure of the study, tuition, and financial constraints sometimes are so overwhelming that they do not know what to do, where to seek suggestions, and so they choose to remain hidden with all those questions inside their minds. One of the many basic problems they face is associated with foods. Yes, food. Food is the substance consisting essentially of protein, carbohydrate, fat, and other nutrients used in the body to furnish energy and to sustain growth and vital processes. If the disruption of food intake or eating patterns takes place because of financial problems, access issues, or other resources, it appears as food insecurity problem, which we might see sometimes around us. In the Western world, many international students come for higher studies, and often such problems arise among them. Again, not all food is considered as healthy food. Healthy food intake is a necessity for everybody, especially for students as it helps in their growth and protects against many chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. But when they go to grocery stores, they find high price tags on healthy foods, also increasing prices for everyday diet needs. It is very well known that things which are less expensive are less healthy, but most of the times students must settle down with that. The problem becomes severe for Muslim international students. They usually take halal foods as their daily protein consumption, but it's not easy to locate halal food stores. Sometimes, even if they find it, the price is higher than non halal counterparts, which is again a big hassle for them. And that is why so many times they do not eat those items for days, even for weeks or months. Many of them do not have cars, so they cannot roam around and find halal foods within reasonable price range. So when many of you are busy with your special dishes and taking photos to share online, they just shy and wish for a better tomorrow. Yes, there exist few solutions, but those are not sufficient for the number of people's healthy food requirement. Yes, we are optimistic that authorities and communities are taking positive initiatives which might support their success and access to healthy diet in the near future for all of us. And I am sure that thus we can all together ensure healthy lifestyle for all of us. Thank you.